Before starting video, please subscribe to our channel. Adobe Lightroom is a powerful photo editing and organizing software developed by Adobe Inc. It is widely used by photographers, content creators, and photo enthusiasts for managing, editing, and enhancing digital photos. Here's an overview of its key features and uses. Key features. Non-destructive editing. Lightroom uses non-destructive editing, meaning your original photos remain untouched. All edits are saved as metadata and can be reversed at any time. Photo organization. Lightroom includes tools for organizing photos into folders, albums, and collections. You can add keywords, ratings, and flags to streamline your workflow. Advanced editing tools. It provides a range of professional editing features, such as exposure adjustment, color correction, cropping, spot healing, gradient filters, and more. Presets. Users can apply pre-made or custom presets to achieve specific looks or styles quickly. These can speed up the editing process significantly. Raw file support. Lightroom supports RAW files from a wide variety of cameras, allowing for extensive control over image details and adjustments. Syncing across devices. With Lightroom's cloud-based version Lightroom CC, you can sync photos and edits across devices, including desktops, tablets, and smartphones. AI features. It includes tools like AI-powered object selection, automated tagging, and advanced masking, making editing faster and more precise. Batch editing. Lightroom lets you apply edits to multiple photos simultaneously, which is especially useful for large projects. 2 versions of Lightroom. Lightroom CC cloud-based, designed for photographers who want to store and edit their photos on the cloud. It's simpler, more streamlined, and mobile-friendly. Lightroom Classic. A desktop-centric version with more robust organization tools and advanced editing options for professionals who work with large libraries locally. Common use cases. Professional photo editing for portrait, landscape, wedding, or travel photography. Organizing large photo collections for easy retrieval. Enhancing photos for use in social media, marketing, or printing. Collaborating with clients using shared albums or exports. It's part of Adobe's Creative Cloud suite, typically available through a subscription model. Lightroom is favored for its simplicity and ability to handle all aspects of post-production photography in one program. Thank you for watching video. For more informative videos, please subscribe to our channel.